If you have a bulge, swelling, or pain in the front of your abdomen, you may have a ventral hernia. A ventral hernia happens when part of your intestine or other tissue pokes out through a weak area or gap in your abdominal muscles. Ventral hernias can occur in several places. They affect both men and women, and they are common. The Da Vinci system makes it possible to operate through a few small incisions, each about the size of your fingertip. A ventral hernia repair requires your surgeon to carefully remove any tissue caught in the muscle opening. Your surgeon puts the tissue back where it belongs. Next, your surgeon will use small robotic instruments to close the opening in your abdominal wall. Surgeons typically use a special mesh to cover the hernia site. This provides extra support to make the repair stronger, and it also helps prevent the hernia from coming back. Once the hernia repair is complete, your surgeon removes the Da Vinci instruments from your body. The small incisions are then closed.